What's up, glam dolls and glam dudes? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you're returning, what it do, baby? Tricks that you plan for the next whole week. Plans to over, but it's so cheap and your flex so D and your sex so D. So guys, today we're gonna just get straight into this look. We're doing an everyday look that will go with anything, guys. So for further ado, let's get into it. Okay guys, so I've went in and I've used the Milk moisturizer. It's a vegan moisturizer. I've used that on my face before I use the calamine lotion. This is calamine lotion in those spots. So now, since I've already concealed under the brows, I'm gonna go in with that P. Louise base Rumor 5. And I'm gonna base it on the eyelids, and then we're just gonna push it in with that Morphe M173 brush. Hey guys, so I put that Rumor 5 base on my hand. I'm gonna use my mirror and place it on my lids as such, just like this. Of course, I'm gonna come back with a thicker coat. I just want to coat the lid. This is basically priming the lids, guys, but today's look is going to be basically an everyday makeup look, something you can do every day, quick, get it over with. You can wear it anywhere, work out, however you want to do, whatever you choose to do every day. But this is something quick. We're doing no eyeshadow, just some pressed powder in our face. Okay guys, so I went in and I've based my eyes with some of the Caramel Cutie Fenty Beauty. Also, I used the color Bricky in a composition notebook. This middle color on this side, I've used that. It's just something to base the lid so that that concealer, that P. Louise base, doesn't move. And we're gonna get into face. After we get into this face, we're gonna go back in and add that liner. I only like to do that so that the face, once I apply the concealers, it won't mess up the liner. Sometimes fingers get a little jittery. So we're gonna go into Deep Caramel and Deep Chestnut, the 16-hour Camo concealers by e.l.f. Y'all know I love them. We're gonna go in, we're gonna place those. Also, we need to get the beauty blenders so that we can blend this out, honey. So first I'm gonna go in with that Deep Chestnut. Of course, you all know I'm gonna apply it right in the corner. Deep Chestnut goes here. With this look, we don't want to make the under eye too dramatic because of course we're doing an everyday look. You don't want to have the brightest under eyes and then no eyeshadow. Nothing to compliment it, to be honest. So we're gonna let that sit for a few seconds. We're gonna also go in and apply that Deep Chestnut. Y'all know I ran out of this before. So guess what? We're gonna apply this lightly. I'm just playing. We're gonna apply this here, here. We're gonna go back. We're gonna do the same to the other side. But just to let you all know, oh my God. What the guys? I want to cry, guys. My Deep Chestnut just fell, but I'm gonna still go in and I'm hurt. If I don't do nothing, I'ma blend this concealer. Period. Okay guys, so we're gonna go in with the powders under the eyes. We're also gonna contour. And then after we contour and bronze this face, you know how it go. We're gonna move right along into those lips. Okay guys, so going into that Too Faced Born This Way foundation in the shade Maple, of course. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna put a couple squirts here. We're gonna take it and we're gonna dab just a little bit because I think I put a little too much on it. So we're gonna take it and we're gonna just go here. We're gonna drag it out. And you see this foundation a little goes a long way because we're gonna be done the whole bottom of the face with just those two pumps. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with the rest of the foundation that was on my hand and I'm gonna apply it to the forehead, cover this part of the calamine lotion up. Just dab all that on the brush. Then we're gonna go into the forehead and we're gonna blend it out. Of course, we love a natural looking brow, so we're gonna just pack that foundation brush in the front of our brows. I'm gonna go back into Deep Chestnut and we're gonna place it right in the middle of the forehead where that calamine lotion was. And we're going to use that beauty blender from the pharmacy. We're gonna use that to go in and pat it out. I like to be creative sometimes, guys. So here's the heart on the forehead. Get into it. It's a crooked heart, but it's still a heart. Now we're gonna go into that Airspun translucent powder. We're gonna place that powder on the chin and the forehead. Also, we're gonna go into that Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's the banana powder and we're gonna place that under the eyes. Then we're gonna contour. So you're gonna see all that next. We're gonna contour with Juvia's Place the Koto. And then we're gonna use powders and bronze this face on out, baby. Okay guys, so before I move into spraying and setting the face, I'm gonna go in and I'm going to align the eyes. That's what we're gonna do first. We're gonna line the eyes, then we're gonna apply our mascara, then we're gonna set the face. Going in with that Cocoa Naughty and Caramel Cutie, we're gonna go in and bronze the face, but first we're gonna spray that NYX matte finish spray, and then we're gonna go in with that bronzer. I love spraying the face before I bronze, especially because it allows the powders, the makeup, everything to oxidize and settle down. So when I get ready to bronze, it just snaps it back together. It's like securing the look, if you ask me. Okay, so we're gonna go in with that Real Technique brush. And we're gonna go into Caramel Cutie first. We're gonna go into Caramel Cutie. And we're gonna apply. So if you all noticed on this video, I didn't carve out my contour. I didn't carve it out because we're not doing like a popping lip. We're just gonna do something neutral, natural, everyday, so we can go out and, you know, enjoy our date, basically. This isn't a look we just going to, you know, make the contour pop out when we didn't really brighten the under eye, so it don't make sense. So we're gonna go into that Cocoa Naughty. And we're gonna apply Cocoa Naughty where that contour, everything dark you put on your face is where you're gonna basically apply Cocoa Naughty. Before I go in and apply those lashes, we're going to apply that highlight. Of course, I'm using Fenty Beauty's Diamond Bomb, and we're gonna go into that. Nothing too big and bold because, like I said, it's an everyday look. Something you want to be able to go outside, still have that glow, but not too much glow. Okay, highlight is applied. As you can see, the highlight isn't too bold. It's just something natural, neutral looking. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna go with Nola Ganja from the pharmacy. We're gonna apply these, and then guess what? We're almost to the end, guys. We're gonna apply these lips, and then we're gonna move forward, and that's on what? Okay guys, so I'm gonna go in. Now it's time for the lips, of course. But I'm gonna go in with this pink shade. It's called Crush. It's new at the pharmacy. It's a pink, and let me show you. Let's do a swatch. We're gonna swatch it on the hand. It's this color. We're gonna line our lips with it, and we're gonna use the vitamin. We're gonna use the B12 vitamin. And we're gonna do lip combos. Duh. Okay guys, now that we have that pink on, we're gonna go into that vitamin B12, and we're gonna apply that to the lip. Okay guys, so guess what? Here's the finishing look. Let's get into that lip. Everything complimentary from the pharmacy, guys. Look at those lashes. This look right here is a look that will go with anything. I'm loving it. Now the lips, of course, you can do a more neutral lip, but I gave you all a lot of neutral lips, so I wanted to give you something different from the pharmacy. This is a pink lip liner with a lighter pink gloss on them. I'm loving it. Guess what, guys? If you love this look, don't forget to comment below. Tell me that you love it. Tell me what you don't like about it. Just give me the insights, your insights on it, guys. So, like I said, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click that notification bell so you can know when I post more videos. Duh. Bye!